welcome back to my channel. I'm looking at my hair as if I was having a bad hair day. Alright, so I'm gonna be using 6 products to do my hair. Gonna be using some wax, hair wax, a comb, a hair grabber, some bobby pins, some blacky rubber bands, and last but not least, some gold beads, which are my favorite. Alright, so before I jump into the video, remember to like the video, share the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Alright, so first thing first, I'm going to be making 2 side parts. Okay, so those parts are perfect for me, so I'll work with those parts. Alright, so the middle section, I'm going to be separating it. I am also going to section off the back piece as well because we don't want any confusion. So I'm going to go ahead and use some hair wax at my edge and at the base of my root. I'm going to be using 2 rubber bands. I'm going to be doubling the rubber bands. I am going to twist the hair end out. Okay, so that's how it looks so far. I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did on that side on the other side. Alright, so I'm going to attack the centerpiece. With the centerpiece section, I am going to be doing 2 cornrows, 2 small cornrows. So at the end of the cornrow, I'm going to let the hair end stay just like that. I'm not going to plait it out. So I'm going to be doing another part for the next cornrow. Alright, so I'm going to be using some hair wax again with this section. So I'm going to be adding the hair wax to the root all the way to the hair end. Then I'm going to add a rubber band. So I'm going to be doing this. I am going to be repeating this with this section until I'm finished. With this section, my hands were so tired. so tired. Alright, so that's another close-up on the other side on what it looks like. I'm loving it, it looks cute. So what I'm basically doing here, I'm gonna be adding some beads. Alright, so I'm just adding the gold beads all the way out to the root of my hair. So as you can see, I'm adding beads on both sides. So that's how it looks with the beads. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just corner the hair. So that's what I was doing, just cornering the hair. Just cornering that section. Right, so that's how it looks. So with the back section, I'm just combing it out. I'm going to be adding some hair wax to that section as well. So I'm just combing that hair out, and then I'm going to be using my hair grabber. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be doing some medium twists. And yeah, just some medium twists, guys. The first one I did look as if it's gonna twist out, which I bet it's gonna twist out. Oh, there we go. I had to go back in and twist it again. Alright, so what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm just gonna add some beads. Not all the way up, but actually right at the end of the hair, as you can see. I'm just gonna puff it out a little bit. So basically I'm just puffing my hair out. And then I'm gonna be using some bobby pins to tuck the hair end underneath, right? Just like that. All right, so that's how it looks with the bead. All right, so I'm gonna do my edges, my baby hair. So I'm just taking a little bit of hair out. I am using the same hair wax to lay my baby hair. Okay, so there you have it. Amazing, beautiful. There you have it again. And this is super cute. Amazing. So I'm giving you all a close-up look. Remember to share the video. If you haven't subscribed as yet, click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, y'all. And it's that time again where I have to say bye-bye. Remember to keep safe. Until next time, bye, natural lovers. Bye, guys.